Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to clip videos on Twitch on your phone. And from here first we need to find a streamer that we want to clip. Now in my opinion Ronaldo is a very funny streamer that we can clip from here. Right now if you want to clip we tap on the screen on the stream layout somewhere in your screen, and then you will see these options. Right here we tap on the clip option just right there, and we just created a clip. Now we can preview and edit this clip. So if we tap on that, you can see that we only can clip around 30 seconds. And right now if we play this clip, we can also trim this clip if you want to. So if we tap on trim clip, we can select here the piece that we want to clip. So right now, if you want a full clip, you can see that you can get it around 1 minute. So if you want longer clips, please pull both sides to the end. But I like this piece, so I will clip it around 6 seconds and now do done. Right now, give it maybe a title. So you can call it Ronaldo clip 1. And then do publish. And right now you published this clip on your profile. Alright, if you have any questions about this, please comment them below so I can help you out. And from here, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then I wish you a very good day. Ciao.